एक तरफ दुनिया कोरोना से लड़ रही है, लेकिन भारत का पड़ोसी देश पाकिस्तान अभी भी आतंकवाद को बढ़ाने में लगा हुआ है और भारत की सीमा में आतंकियों को घुसाने की फिराक में रहता है। हाल के दिनों में सीमा पर जवानों की आतंकियों के साथ कई मुठभेड़ भी हुई हैं, लेकिन उत्तरी कश्मीर के कुपवाड़ा में अपने दौरे पर पहुंचे भारतीय सेना प्रमुख मनोज मुकुंद नरवणे ने पाकिस्तान की नापाक हरकतों की आलोचना की है। कोरोना के संकट काल में पाकिस्तानी घुसपैठ की घटनाओं पर सेना प्रमुख ने कहा कि ऐसे वक्त में जब भारत अपने देश और दूसरे देशों के लोगों की मदद कर रहा है, उस समय में पाक आतंक की साजिश में जुटा है।
An infiltration attempt which was successfully foiled, and we were able to kill all 5 terrorists who were attempting to infiltrate. Unfortunately, we also lost 1 JCO and 4 very gallant boys, but we have definitely been able to foil this infiltration attempt. This attempt was being made under very difficult conditions with snowfall. And the area from which they came, it would not have been possible without the active support and collusion of the Pakistani army. And they continue with these designs to foment trouble in our country. It is very unfortunate that at a time when the whole world and India is fighting this menace of this pandemic, that our neighbor continues to try to foment trouble, while we are busy not only helping our own citizens, but the rest of the world by sending out medical teams and even exporting medicines. On the other hand, Pakistan is only exporting terror, which does not augur well, and the responsibility for maintaining peace, the onus is on Pakistan.
तो वहीं इस दौरान सेना प्रमुख ने भारतीय सेना में कोरोना के असर पर भी अपनी बात कही। सेना प्रमुख ने बताया कि सेना में अभी तक केवल 8 लोग कोरोना पॉजिटिव पाए गए हैं, जिनमें से 4 सही हो गए हैं।
We had one case, the first case that we had was there in Ladakh, UT. I'm happy to say that after his treatment and his stay in the hospital, he's been tested thrice and he's totally now coronavirus free. And he is in fact rejoined duty. Based on this, we have been passing a number of instructions and advisories to all our commands to take suitable precautions and to preserve the integrity of our force. And we have been quite successful to that extent. And so far, we have only had 8 positive cases, out of whom 2 are doctors and 1 are nursing assistant, but they are medical personnel who were actively involved in the battle against the COVID. And other 5, 1 I already mentioned, who has already been discharged, and 4 who are responding well to treatment. So this is a very small number compared to the entire strength of the Indian Army. Apart from that, we have put into place various procedures to ensure that we are able to now get our men back who were on courses of instruction or on leave, to get them back to rejoin their units. We have a system of green, yellow and red. Green, people who are not in, who were in garrisons all along and who have not come in contact with any COVID-infected person. All these green personnel are now being moved back to the units. In fact, we have already catered for 2 special trains, one to come from Bangalore to Jammu and another from Bangalore to Guwahati.
आपको बता दें कि कुपवाड़ा जिले के तमाम इलाकों में पाकिस्तान की ओर से बीते कुछ दिनों में कई बार सीज फायर का उल्लंघन किया जा चुका है। दुनिया भर में कोरोना के कहर के बीच पाकिस्तान ने बीते दिनों कुपवाड़ा के केरन में आतंकियों के एक बड़े दल की घुसपैठ कराने की कोशिश की थी, जिसमें शामिल 5 आतंकियों को भारतीय सेना ने ढेर कर दिया था।